Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, introducing Orlaya. Looks a little bit like Queen Anne's lace, which is appropriate. They're in the same family, the Apiaceae. Includes Queen Anne's lace, Orlaya, carrots, and parsley. Common name, white lace flower. And it looks kind of like those antique doilies crocheted by your grandmother. So lovely, so long lasting. When you get it in, just remove any lower foliage, give it a cut, dip it in quick dip, then place it in a vessel pre-mixed with flower food. And you'll find that it's long lasting and a fabulous accent to all your designs. Now you know a new friend, Orlaya.